Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can recover Discord password in case you have forgotten it. The process is very simple. All you have to do is launch your browser, then type in discord.com, then you will see a page like this. Now in here, you have to simply type in your phone number or email address that is related with your account. Once done, tap on forgot your password. And now once you have typed your email address and tap on forgot password, you will receive an email. All you have to do is simply open your Gmail application and tap onto the email. And likewise, as you can see that I just got this email and this is what it looks like. You will see a reset password button. So tap on reset password. And now at this page right here, you're going to have to simply type in your new password. Make sure that you type in an easy one so that it will be easy for you to remember it next time. Once you type in your new password, simply tap on change password. And definitely your password will be changed. This is how you can recover your Discord account. Thank you for watching.